going to do an unboxing video. I just got back from going to Walmart. It's really cold, to say the least. So I'm not really sure. It says it has a blower fan onto it. So we'll find out. We're gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna get warm because it's freaking cold out here. This is my new heater. No, it's not television. It is a heater. This is the Walmart Mainstays LED fireplace. There she is. Here's my tools over here. So the AM, FM. Then you get the thermostat controls. That's where the heat comes out. I'm hoping. And the blowers. I can see the wood minus my reflection. Well, plastic / wood. There's a plug. No HDMI inputs, but still, it's the toast. All right, let's put the sucker together and turn it on.
Turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild, 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 wild.
Okay, well, make sure I'm thorough. These are really long screws. Anyway, take those off, lift up and pull forward. There's the back, and the log comes out just like so. Set that right there. I keep thinking it's gonna be hot, but the hot stuff comes from up top. You get to that diagram? It's extremely confusing because there's way too many holes there. What you want to do is just this screw right here. See this? Boom, that sucker right there. And of course, remove it to the opposite side, and it just seriously just pops out. That's it. And then you put your rocks in. One last weird side note, no big deal. Put the glass plate back on after putting the screws. I would figure I'd just put it in there and store back into the holes themselves, but they don't really go back in there. They kind of fall out. So what I'm doing is just put them back in there, you know, just so I can keep them in storage, and just kind of put them, screw back in the log. Anyway, just put it aside. Just no big deal. Just you know, a little heads up. Anyway, going through the back here before opening. Owner's manual. And here is the remote. Hey, it's gonna have Velcro. Neat. All right. My Velcro bill is way too high this month. So, we got lights, timers, flames, carbon.
Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
That's it.
Fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.